mock test on grammar for all type of competitive exams. This is third set. So let's go. The first question. The following sentence is divided into four parts. One of them is error. Select the part that contains error. The given sentence is she must slash be hurry slash otherwise she will slash miss the flight. Here, one part is definitely wrong in use. You should find out the correct one, that is that the part that contains error. You will be given four options. Number one, that is option A, miss the flight. Option B, be hurry. Option C, she must. Option D, otherwise she will. Here the correct answer, that is the part that contains error, is option B, be hurry. Here she must be hurry. It is up. B is the be verb, that is be verb can't be followed by the modal auxiliary, that is, as must is modal auxiliary, it cannot be preceded by be. So this is wrong. Next, question number two. Same direction, the following sentence is divided into four parts. One of them is error. Select the part that contains error. Given sentence is these experiments had been going on since several months. Option Option A, these experiments. Option B, had been going on. Option C, no error. Option D, since several months. The right answer is since several months. Here, this is the given sentence is perfect, past perfect continuous. So, since several months is the correct answer. Next, question number three. Replace the option of the underlined part of the sentence. The players arrived. They are sitting in the station here. You should select the correct word that would be replaced perfectly by the underlined word arrived. Four options are there. Option A, shall arrive. Option B, have arrived. Option C, are arriving. Option D, might arrive. The right answer will be option B, have arrived, because the players arrived. They are sitting in the station. The players arrived. This is past in sorry. This is present perfect. Here the players arrived. They are sitting in the station. Here they are sitting in the station. They are now still now sitting. This is continuing, but the action was already completed, and that construction, that is that part, should be present perfect, and that's why the players have arrived. This is completely on the basis of the tense. The classes on the tense are abundantly given in this panel, and the playlist will be given in the description box of this video. You should go through this class, and that it will be very, very clear to you. Next, question number four. Same option, same direction. Replace from the option of the underlined part of the sentence. The sentence, I went Mumbai regularly. Here, four options. Option A, twice. Option B, often. Option C, yesterday. Option D, happily. Here, the correct option is option C, yesterday, because I went Mumbai regularly. Here, I went Mumbai. This is adverb of time. Adverb of time should be I went Mumbai yesterday. This is adverb of time. Adverb, the detailed class on adverb is already provided, already uploaded in this channel. Now, question number five. Select the correct indirect or direct form of the given sentence. That is, a sentence will be given to you. Either it is direct, then it should be transformed into indirect, and if it is indirect, then it should be transformed into direct. Okay, given sentence is I asked the carpenter how long he would take to polish my furniture. Now, options. Option A, I said to carpenter how long he would take to polish his furniture. Option B, I said to carpenter how long will you take to polish his furniture. Option C, I said to carpenter how long it would take to polish my furniture. Option D, I said to carpenter how long he would take to polish my furniture. Right answer is option B. Here, the given sentence is indirect. It should be transformed into direct. Here, I say to carpenter, okay, comma should be replaced by replaced, how they are replaced, and then inverted comma will be started as the sentence linker. There is no any linker if or whether, because this is interrogative sentence. That's why the sentence inverted reported speech should be started with WH word. That's a how long will interrogative sentence, so helping verb would be placed before the subject, and would should be transformed into will, because will is transformed into would, and as we transform indirect to direct, and that's why would will be replaced by you. So this would be the correct answer, and at the end of interrogation. Next, question number 6. Here say same direction, direct, indirect, or indirect, direct. Father said, "Let me do whatever he likes to do." Options. Option A, father said that he might be allowed to do whatever he likes. Option B, father advised that he might be allowed to do whatever he liked. Option B. C, father said that he might be allowed to do whatever he liked. Option D, father said that he will be allowed to do whatever he liked. The right answer would be option C, father said. Here, this is imperative sentence. Father said that would be replaced. That would be replaced by omitting comma, inverted comma. That then he he might be allowed. Let should be transformed to might be allowed to, and then in present form of verb. Whatever next part, another sentence, it should be present into past form. Likes transform into like. So this is right one. Now question number 7. Select the option that expresses the given sentence in active or passive. Then the given sentence. The, the boy had the boy had to admit these options. These sorry, they. It should be these should be they. Y is mistakenly omitted. They had to admit this. Option A. This had to be admitted by them. Option B. This had to admitted by them. Option C. This had been admitted to be by them. Option D. This had been to be admitted by them. Here the this the given sentence is active voice. It should be transformed into passive. The correct passive form is option A. This had to be admitted by them, because this is infinitive. Infinitive can be changed if it is followed by have verb and be verb. Here had is there, and that's why had to after to be and third form of the main verb. Detailed rules of the voice sense is already uploaded. You should go through for the detailed discussion. Now, question number 8. Same direction. The given sentence is the late night parties attracted him. The options. He was attracted by the late night parties. He was attracted with the late night parties. He was attracted for the late night parties. He was attracted to late night parties. The correct passive form of the given sentence is option D. He was, he should be transformed into subject. He was, past form was attracted. For third form of the verb attracted is attracted. Here the verb attracted is definitely preceded by to. Okay, and that's a two is the correct answer. Next question number 9. Select the incorrect spelled word from the option. Incorrect spelled word. HALLUCINATE. Option B, LAUNDERE Option C, UNORGANISED. Option D, SACRILAGE. The correct answer, that is the incorrect spelling word is option D, SACRILAGE. Now, question number 10. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Option KENGARWO. Option B, ITINERARY. Option C, BIVACIOUS. Option D, AMBIGUOUS. The correct answer, that is the wrong spelling of the word is KENGARWO, kangaroo. A E should be replaced by A. Now, question number 11. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given word. One word substitute, very, very important topic. The sentence, one who speaks for others. Options, option A, verbose. Option B, talkative. Option C, orator. Option D, spokesperson. The correct answer is spokesperson. Now, question number 12. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given words group of words. The sentence, an action of making amends for a wrong or injury. Once again, an action of making amends for a wrong or injury. Option A, treasury. Option B, atonement. Option C, redemption. Option D, right. The correct answer is option B, atonement. Question number 13. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. Options. Option A, completely unexpectedly. Option B, found commonly. Option C, go away secretly. Option D, act cleverly. The right answer is option A, completely unexpectedly. Now, question of 14. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Hit the nail on the head. Once again, hit the nail on the head. Options, option A, to injure someone fatally. Option B, to be extremely hardworking. Option C, to be exactly right about something. Option D, to be extremely cautious. The right answer is option C, to be exactly right about something. Now, question for 15. Select the most appropriate synonym of the word given below. Synonym, impede. Options, option A, intained. Option B, hinder. Option C, prompt. Option D, respite. The correct word, that is the impede, synonym of the word impede is option B, hinder. Now, question number 16. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word below. Irrevocable. Options. Option A, irreversible. Option B, irresponsive. Option C, unmediated. Option D, conjurant. The correct answer is synonym of the word irrevocable is irreversible. Now, question number 17. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Ardent, ARDNT, ardent. Options, option A, admirable. Option B, apathetic. Option C, beautiful. Option D, sincere. The antonym of the word ardent is option D, apathetic. Now, question number 18. Select the most appropriate antonym of the word given below. Judicious. The antonym of the word judicious is option A, foolish. Option B, authoritative. Option C, modest. Option D, reserved. The correct answer is foolish. The correct answer is foolish. Next, question number 19. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. My sister attends dash my ailing mother. Options, option A, by. Option B, for. Option C, upon. Option D, to. The correct answer is option C, upon. My sister attends upon my ailing mother. Now, question of 20. Fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. The man was died dash violence. Options, option A, on. Option B, from. Option C, for. Option D, by. Correct answer is the man died of, sorry, by violence. Uh, died by at the time of violence. If a man is died by violence, it should be died after died, followed by. Now, question 21. What is the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined or bold segment in the given sentence? Appropriate option that can be properly substituted. The soldiers had no choice to report the loss to their commander. Options. Option A, option A, no choice but to. Option B, no choice as to. No. Option C, no choice how to. Option D, no substitution required. Here, this is very important. The soldiers had no choice to replaced by. Option A, no choice but to. A no choice to should be replaced by no choice but to. Now, question 22. Select the most appropriate option to substitute underline word or bold segment in the given sentence. The given sentence is no sooner did this idea enter his head than it carried conviction with it. Here, the options are option A, no sooner has his idea entered. Option B, no sooner do this idea enter. Option C, no sooner does this idea enter. Option D, no substitution required. The correct answer is option D, no substitution required. That is, the given sentence is correct. Next, 23. Select the correct phrasal verb of the options which is similar in meaning of the underlined word. The function will take place tomorrow. Here, take place is similar to the phrasal verb. Option A, come off. Option B, come off. OWA. Option C, held up. Option D, hold on, hold in. The correct answer is option B, come off. Take place means come off, held. Next, question number 24. Select the correct phrasal verb from the options which is similar in meaning of the underlined word. The sentence, someone is striking the door. Here, options. Option A, look out. Option B, make out. Option C, knock out. Option D, knock at. Here, striking is replaced by the phrasal verb knock at. Now, question number 25, the last question. Fill in the blank with the most appropriate option. Fill in the blank. The blank should be replaced by appropriate word or option that is given in the options. Although I have a good job, I wish to take the dash of starting my own business. Options. Option A, back. Option B, sit. Option C, look. Option D, risk. Here, the right answer would be risk. Although I have a good business and good job, I have a good job already. I intend to take I want to take the risk of starting my own business. This is also the new topic that is added in the different type of competitive exams. These are the third set, and the more exciting set or the test or mock test will be available in this channel frequently. Goodbye.